Typing in YouTube stats every week gets really annoying. I got tired of doing that, so I built a system that does it for me. It grabs the stats and puts them in Notion. No spreadsheets, no copying. Let me show you how it works. I run 2 YouTube channels. Channel 1 is this one, AI Stephen Robertson. Channel 2 is for my business, Precision AI Systems. I needed a better way to track growth, subscriber changes, and weekly publishing without wasting hours copying data. That's why I built an automation to handle it. I published consistently across both channels, and I wanted a system to hold me accountable, track growth, and help me decide which content actually delivers. At a high level, this setup connects to the YouTube API with Notion through n8n. Every Saturday at 9 a.m., a workflow kicks off and pulls key channel data from both of my channels. Then sends it to Notion automatically, creating a snapshot. I even get a Slack message when it's done. Let me show you how the pieces fit together. To build this workflow, I used the YouTube API to get accurate channel metrics, n8n to automate and control the flow of data, and Notion to store, visualize, and track performance. And optionally, Slack to get completion updates or error alerts. Now, I chose n8n over tools like Zapier because it's open source, flexible, and doesn't charge based on usage. Inside Notion, each weekly snapshot includes these fields. The snapshot title, such as AI Stephen Robertson, May 10th. Channel title, so I can filter by brand. The date, subscriber count, subscribers gained that week, progress towards subscriber goals, lifetime views, and number of videos published, and highlights, key wins, or test notes from that week. This layout gives me a quick readout of how each channel is performing week over week. Here's how the n8n workflow runs behind the scenes. A scheduled trigger node starts the workflow every Saturday at 9 a.m. The workflow splits into 2 identical branches, one for each channel. Each branch uses an HTTPS request node to fetch data from the YouTube API. Then, a code node processes that data, formatting values, calculating weekly changes, and handling missing info. Next, I have a Notion node, which creates a snapshot in my Notion database. After that, another Notion node searches for the previous week's entry to compare progress. A second code node extracts the ID of that previous entry. That ID is written into the new snapshot using another Notion node. so each week lends back to the last. A merge node waits for both branches to complete. Finally, a Slack node sends me a success message or a warning if anything failed. Once it's set up, it just runs. I don't have to touch it. Before this, I tracked everything manually in Spreadsheets. I had no easy way to spot trends or test what was working. Now, I get clean, organized data every week without lifting a finger. One extra bonus? I connect each video to a playlist. That lets me roll up average click-through rate or watch time per playlist in Notion, so I can see which content themes are driving the most engagement. This system saves time, removes guesswork, and helps me make smarter content decisions, all while giving me a full historical view of both my channels. If you want help building a setup like this, leave a comment or DM me. I'm happy to walk you through it. And in the next video, I'll show you how I track performance for individual videos, including views, watch time, click-through rate, and retention. It's like this setup, but zoomed in to the video level